Hello once again. I welcome you to another lesson, and we are going to look at another wonderful sound. I hope you are going to enjoy this sound. Okay, let us continue. So today we want to find out the sound of letter E and A. E and A. What is the sound of E and A? Okay, listen. Whenever you're reading and you find E and A, the sound is E. The sound is E. So, when we are forming the syllables, this is how we are going to form the syllables. This one will be B. Because we say that E and A, the sound is E. So this one will be B, D, F, G, H, G, T, N, P, R, C, W, Y. You see? So those are the syllables that we have tried to get. E and A, the sound is E. Do not forget that. Now, let us try to form some words here. Look at this. So, we've said that this one is B. B. And then this one is N. When we connect, it will be bean. Bean. E and A, the sound is E. G, G, Gia, Gia. So as you continue with this course, I'm going to teach you about when you find two vowels and letter R, why letter R changes the sound. So as we continue with this course, as we move forward, I'm going to teach you that, okay? Yeah, but when you have two vowels, letter R becomes ya, and then we say gia, ya. So this is ye, ye, and then we say ya. Fi. Remember I said two vowels, R becomes ya. As we continue, I will explain that. Don't worry, just follow my videos about English sounds. So this one will say fear, fear, fear. This is D, dear, dear, lead, lead, read, G, jeans, G, jeans. You get? Yes. Don't forget, two vowels, R becomes ear. Fear, dear, Gia. We can add another one. We can add another one. Clear. You see? Clear. You see? So now I want you to form more words using these syllables, using sound E, which is E and A. Form more words. In the comment section, write more words which are like this. Thank you. Let us move on to another lesson.